Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of September 2023 STL Patreon for D&D, Warhammer Proxy, War Tabletop, anime, and video game figures as well for 3D prints. Is there ones that you'd like? Please leave that comments. You want me to check some Patreons out? Leave it down in the comments down below as well. And subscribe, like, and share. So we have dungeon pinups. This is August preview. I think this is going to be for September for it. So big titties, big titties, big titties for your campaign. Lost Kingdom miniatures. I want to know what's going to be September. We're going to have. I forgot that one of the demons. Demon Lord of Change in Warhammer 40k at Age of Sigmar. So that I forgot the damn names of it. It is freaking 5 in the morning. Reason why I'm still up is taking my cat to the drop the vet him at the vet at 7:30 to get fixed. So we got it. So we have different variation of it. There's the horror as well, and the Thousand Suns sorcerers that I think are pretty good to proxy them in the game of 40k and Age of Sigmar. Let me know what you guys think. Next is, yeah, I already canceled it. One page rules. This is for Warhammer proxies and also for Age of Sigmar proxies. So, I don't know much about Age of Sigmar. I know a little bit about fantasies. I have some army units for Sigmar, but this looks like more for chaos. Looks like it. And this is going to be for the humans. I don't know what you call them. These are like more of a pirate. There's your wizard in this cart. And there is, looks like a rocket launcher on a ballista. Cannons and everything else as well. Your terrains, bases. And these are the dwarves. I don't know if they brought dwarves back on Age of Sigmar. I know fantasy we had dwarves. And they were very crafty as well. And they have a lot of flying units for this. I think this is pretty cool looking to have some dwarves in the game for it. But some of these looks like they're meant for squigs. That's I forgot their damn names again. For 40k. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, these are definitely for 40k. I don't think about that in Age of Sigmar. You're just gonna destroy your ships and more terrains as well. Banner. That's actually a pretty good terrain piece right there as well. Next is Artisan Guild. You might have to watch a video for this one for September. Beast Unleashed. I think we gain more barbarians for it. I want to see figures. So we have more Viking barbarians. Looks like it. That's fine for it as well. More Vikings barbarians is good to have. We have some shamans, spellcasters, blade runners, and stuff as well. Ruins. I do want to make a little bit of Viking set, but I'm going to need some sets. So we have the female pinup for this figure. And we have our bear. Feels like this is a repeat of something. I know we had some more. Looks like this is Odin. This is our pinup. Valkyrie. We have our croc piece. Snake. I think this is the World Serpent Eater. If I do that, it's going to be a lot bigger than that. It looks like we have some war bears as well. War bears are cool as well, and they're very docile as well. They only will attack if they're threatened for it. Bite the Bullet. You're gonna have Lord of the Rings for Bite the Bullet. Looks like it. So we have the Shire, the Hobbits, the Goblins, and the Trolls for it. And we got some sexy elves. For Legacy Pack, we got the 4 Hobbits. I'm going to print them because I do need halflings. These are pretty good. Legolas, Gimli, Gandalf. Gandalf would be good. And there's your goblins. More goblins. Now we have the troll. I think they call it the cave troll. So these will be pretty cool to have. I think this is the pin-up. But yeah, we have that. Beasteria miniatures for if you guys Elden Ring or Dark Souls. This is probably the miniatures that you really want for yourself. So we have a couple of hideous, grotesque monsters that I want to print and paint, but we may not have it. We have more of the micronids. This looks freaking gnarly. And that big, yeah, fucking print that thing hollowed up and everything else as well. Grove Pilgrim. Oh, those would be freaking cool to print and paint. I got some of the Witch's Coven that I just painted not that long ago. Like from this as well. But those would be pretty good. If I find people to play the Dark Soul board game with me or play D&D version of Dark Soul, because I got the damn RPG books for it, it would be great. But no one wants to play with me. I have no friends. No one wants to play with me. But yeah, it looks freaking awesome. Micronids. Angels. I do like mushroom. I actually loves the mushroom people a lot. Yeah. This would be pretty cool to play, create, and put in the Underdark as well. You know, the freaking undead dragon corrupted by fungi. Next is Titan Forge miniatures. There's another proxy for Age of Sigmar style or D&D. So this is what we have. You even got some Nighthaunt stuff as well. Griffin, Knights Riding Griffin. I think fantasies. I think this will do more for fantasies than anything else for it. But other than that, it's pretty damn cool. Only thing I don't like about it is like got print in multiple pieces for it. I like to do the freaking the old school tombs. The tomb mummy thing that I have fantasy that's freaking hard to get. I really wish I could recreate that. And I'll be loving to print that shit and paint that sucker as well. So let me know what you guys think. I've got work in there now. Looks like a gnome. Look like a blight. Oops. We got some weights, bases, and our terrain piece. Got one more left. We already done that. Okay, ES monster. Another figure. Sexy figures. Then we got something. We got, that's for October. Got Lady 801. That's going to be coming in. That's freaking sexy. Wife will make me upset. We got Fan Boot. This is the anniversary reward. I think we're going to get one from Claymore as well for it. I think I got one more to do. Flesh of God, another dark um, type miniatures for D&D or for any other campaign they want to do. Uh, so we got the huge and gargantuan enemies, Elderwood Dragon, Growbound Watcher, the Blight Oracle, huge base, medium large monsters as well. Uh, Dread Owl, me and Dread Owl Bear. You got your heroes, your bust, and your throwbacks. Wendigo. I need that Wendigo for Ashley. There's so many Wendigos that none of them are pretty good looking. So anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our links down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Take care.